guys, what's up? And today I am still in my school uniform, as you can see. And that is because I thought I would do a video of just kind of explaining multiplication and showing you a few ways for to answer multiplication things. Now, first of all, I will be explaining why they invented multiplication. Basically, sometimes you would have to do this. And that would just take a long time to write and it would be really easy. So, they invented multiplication, so we did not have to do that, but instead we could just say 5 times 1 equals 5. What it would equal for that. That is why they invented multiplication. It would just be so much more troublesome if we were going to have to learn it like that. So first, I will be telling you one of the easy ways, a way to get multiplication better. So this works for the 5 times tables. And what you can do is you can do like, let's see, how about I do 5 times 5? 5 times 5. Well, I guess it doesn't actually work with every single one. Like, how does it work with 2? Actually, wait, I know how it works. So 5 times 5 will be 2. So you have to do half of it. So basically, you put it in half. And 5 times 5 would be 2.5. But for us, that's just 25. So you can do half of it, like 9 times 5. Under that is 8, which half of it is 4, which means we will have a 5. It will be 45. And let's see, what else could I do? 2 times 5. 5 would be 1. And we just add a 0 to it since it isn't like 5, which doesn't have a middle exactly. So we just do 10. So that is an easy way for that. And now I'll be telling you a way for the 12 times table. This is how I do it. But for you guys, it might just be, so what I do is like this. So let's start with, how about we start with 8 times 9? 8 times 9. 8 times 9, so what I do is 10 times 8 would be 80. And I just add, wait, what? Why did I do 9? I mean 12. This is for 12. 8 times 12. So first, in my mind, I can do this really quickly. 10 times 8 is 80. You just add a 0 to 8. So that's what we do. And then we add 12, 80. Actually, then you add 8 to 8, which is 16. 8 plus 8 is 16. So you add 16 to 80. And you get the answer, which is 96. So that's a way for the 9s. Like, now I could do a 7. I won't go through every single thing. 7 plus 7 is 14. So 7 times 12 equals 84. So that's how it works. You could actually so that's how it works for the 12s. Now let's see, what else do we have? Oh, we've also got the 9s, but those are also quite easily known. But I'll do it anyway. So the 9s are like this. So let's start with, how about 6 times 9? So for this, you know that 10 times 6 is 60, because there's also the 10 times thing that helps with things that are under 10 and 10. So, and that is that you just add a 0 to that number. 10 6s are 60, 4 10s are 40, and like that. So what we do here is we minus that. We do that 60 minus 6, since we're doing 6 right now, and that would equal to the answer. And this answer is 54. So this is 54. And that could be another way. Now, these are just a few things that are cool that you can use to be able to do it quicker, and just kind of explaining why multiplication was invented. It was invented because just doing 3 7s and just adding 3 7s together would take a lot to write, and with this, if it's under 10, you can just do 2 things and then it's done. Although with some things you've got to do like 3 or 4, but I'm not at those. I've only memorized them until 12s for now. So I hope you enjoyed. I hope you learned why it was made. Instead of doing 3 7s, in addition, they can just do 3 times 7. 3 times 7 is 21. 21. Yeah, 3 times 7 is 21. And so I hope you enjoyed it. If you did and you want me to explain more about multiplication and like tell you a few more ways to be able to do multiplication quicker, then please like and subscribe. Then I definitely will. I guess that's about it. Bye!